Product feeds are annoying and catalog ads are off-brand and, well, ugly. With Marpipe, you can easily organize your product feed and make it beautiful for ad platforms. First, go to marpipe.com and create a free account. Next, click Import Feed from Shopify. This takes you to the Shopify App Store. Click Install. Once installed, click Link Existing Account to connect back to Marpipe. You'll land back in Marpipe and your store will start syncing. While it's syncing, click the Generate Output Feeds button on the main page. Select the channels you want to create feeds for: Meta, Google, TikTok, Pinterest. Once you select your channels here, your feeds will be queued and ready to go as soon as your store finishes syncing. You'll also get an email when it's complete. Once your sync is done, you can start working with designs. Choose to start from a blank canvas or use one of our pre-made templates. In the ad builder here, drag elements from the left panel onto the canvas to add dynamic elements from your product feed. These are things like product image, title, price, or sale badges. Use the shuffle button to preview how different products look in your design. When you're happy with your design, add it to your meta feed. This will prompt you to upgrade to the startup plan. Upgrade so you can publish enriched creative into your feed. Once upgraded, add the design to a treatment in your feed, then hit publish. Copy the feed link and add it as the data source in your Meta catalog. Create a catalog ad in Meta, then come back to Marpipe and click Assign Ads. Find your ad, assign the treatment, and now you'll see your enriched creative in the ad preview. You can also manage your feed directly in Marpipe for free. In the Manage Fields page, edit existing fields with rules or create custom fields to add to your feed. And that's it. You're live with enriched catalog ads and full feed control. Get started free at marpipe.com.